Hello, good morning. In today's lesson, the focus will be on superlative adjectives. So I'll be explaining to you everything that you need to know in terms of what are superlative adjectives, how to use them, and some examples. So let's start. What are actually superlative? Like, why do we need to use superlative adjectives? We need to use them when you need to compare between one thing and other things. Meaning that, okay, let's say for example, you are in the classroom and you have a friend in that class, and that friend is the best. So that means you choose only one friend from 50 students in the classroom, and you say that this friend is the best among the others. So this is called superlative. That means to say something is unique or special.
Look at these examples. My house is the largest one in our neighborhood. So in here, if we look at the largest, why did we add est? Because we are comparing my house to the other houses in the neighborhood. So my house is the largest. That means there isn't any other house with the same size of my house. Same thing with the other sentence. This is the smallest box I have ever seen. So because I am talking about the size of the box, that it is too small, that I haven't seen such a small box in my life. And that is why we need to use est with the, so to be the smallest. Look at this one. This is one of the most beautiful places in our city. So why we used most here? Because we have beautiful. And how many syllables does beautiful have? It has 3 syllables. Beautiful. So which means that if the adjective has more than one, immediately add the most and then the adjective without adding anything to it. So we can't say the most beautifulest. This is wrong. So it will be the most beautiful. The same thing with number 2. He is the angriest person on our campus. So because we are talking about that person as being so angry, and we have never seen such an angry person in campus. So in this case, we need to add iest. Why? Because the last letter of angry is Y, and in this case you need to cancel Y and add I plus est. So it will be the angriest person on our campus. And the same thing goes to the other adjectives as well.
And then the irregular adjectives. Why do we call them irregular? Because we can't add anything to them. We can't add est or the most. So what do we need to do? We just need to remember them. So let's look at some examples.
Good. So good here will be the best, because we can't say goodest or the most goodest. It has to be the best. He is the best student in the class. Number 2, bad, will be the worst. We can say this restaurant is the worst restaurant in town. Much, the most. This house is the most expensive house in the neighborhood.
So I really hope you managed to get my point of today's tutorial video. And if you have any questions regarding that, you know what to do. Comment below if you have grammar topics or speaking, or maybe if you want me to talk about the best methods to study for English, or how to stay motivated, or things like that, just let me know in the comment section. Alright, so in this case, I wish you a happy day and I'll see you very soon. Bye.